It's about 11 o'clock on Saturday, and this is normally a pretty busy main road through Bradford Woods. Normally well traveled, especially this time of day as people get out and about. This is Bradford Road. We see one car out there. I don't know if they're stuck, but they're in the middle of the road. They got their hatch open with a snowblower. At any rate, here we are. Bradford Road heading towards, that's Wexford Run. And there's nobody at all. There's one street light on out down there, which looks kind of cool, but that's it. Bradford Woods has pushed a whole lot of snow here at Berry Vine Gifts into their parking lot. Big mound there. Probably see a bunch of those in coming days. So there you go.